Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Speed Hub. It's me again. After so long, I'm coming back to my video because I was too tight with my schedule. And today I have chosen a topic which is very important if you have your own business or even if you are doing any training, consultation services. This will be very useful because today the social platform that we're going to use is LinkedIn. Yeah, so let me introduce what is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social platform. It is also something like Facebook, but in LinkedIn there are many professionals out there, always spend their time in the LinkedIn, basically to find jobs, because LinkedIn is a platform where all the job posts are being done by many organizations. And not only that, if you are giving trainings or consultation services, they also promote that because it's a very suitable or the targeted, for professionals, yeah, targeted market for professionals that will actually, come for your training or look for your consultation services for their business. All right, so LinkedIn is very, very good platform. In fact, if you have any other promotion that you want to do related to your professional services or relevant to professionals, you may use LinkedIn. Now, today's topic is how to promote your business through LinkedIn. Let's look into the strategy to promote at LinkedIn. So, as I mentioned, LinkedIn is a platform that you can make use to promote your business. And whether you are doing business in terms of services like consultation services or trainings, you can use LinkedIn. Basically, you can talk about your business in your personal profile first so that they will know who is the individual or founder of that particular brand. Because uh, whenever you introduce yourself as the founder or CEO of your brand or your business, this will actually create the trust among your potential clients. And when the trust is increased, that is where the sales, the potential sales, will also increase. And this will also create a long-term relationship, right? So when you introduce yourself behind any particular brand, then this is where the actual connection between people will happen, right? So when the trust is there, the actual connection will happen, the actual engagement will also start to happen, right? So that will be the first strategy that we're gonna do to post or promote your business at LinkedIn. All right. So apart from that, now you also need to create your business page that will have your brand, right? So there's two different things. One is your profile and another one is your business page. So firstly, you already introduced about your brand in your personal profile. Now the next thing is for you to have your business page where you have your business brand or logo, or update more about information on your business at your business page. And then you will start to post frequently on your page. So when you post frequently, okay, what are the things that you can actually post? It can be anything from your business page or your websites. All right. So let's say you're giving trainings, for example. So in each day, you can post that particular training, some information about that particular training, and when you want to conduct, and who are you targeting, right? So you can actually elaborate more about a particular training, and you can post on daily basis. If you are selling any courses online like My Speed Hub, our page, our online learning platform has many courses that is meant for business owners or meant for professionals. You can actually daily basis you can promote that particular courses, right? And what is the benefit of having that course for all of them, and also how much is the price. So you can basically uh, provide more information about what you are selling, right? So when you post frequently, what will happen is you are actually telling the public or your potential clients that your business is actually active, right? So if let's say you post once in a while, then it shows that your business is not much active, and people will have doubt whether they can actually have uh, a dealing or closer engagement with your business. All right, so that is the second strategy that I would like to recommend. Apart from that, how else can you promote at LinkedIn, right? You can start a group, all right, that have the similar interest or a specific interest. Maybe there are a group of people interested in the project management training. So you can find all these people and start a group, and then you can start discussing more about that particular project management training or project management course that will actually build interest and bring uh, conversion to sales, right? So, and it will also help build the community or network where you can clarify things to them, or yeah, or clarify any questions that they have. Now, the fourth strategy that I would like to recommend is participate in other community or groups. Not only you have to start a certain group to clarify things or to talk about more about your services or products that you're selling, but also you need to actively participate in other community or groups so that you will also provide your brands in other groups that will actually create more potential clients from other groups, right? So this is where you can actually build the network even more bigger. You can grow the networks. So the more network you have, the more conversion to sales will happen, and you will start to also read about what are the interests of this group that have, and how else you can actually promote your products, or how else you can improve your existing products, so you will have some kind of idea. And also, the fifth strategy is collaborate with other partners. If you can see in LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a very popular social media as well, where you have many other organizations promoting their product or services, and there are a lot of trainings that are being provided to professionals or business owners. So why not you collaborate with other partners and make your brands even more popular in that social media and get more networks, right? So when you collaborate with other partners, you will also start to build the network from the other partners, as well as the other partners can benefit from you, right? So each other can benefit, and also you can actually increase the sales. Now, the sixth strategy that I would like to recommend is the personal profile to be optimized with targeted words. So you also have to look into your personal profile so that you use some kind of targeted keywords that can actually bring more potential clients to your page, right? And also your business page, you can talk about more about your business page with all these targeted keywords. So these are the 6 strategies to promote at LinkedIn. I hope these 6 strategies will actually help your business to get more sales conversion to sales. And also start now. If you already have LinkedIn page or your profile, your own personal profile, or your business page is good. But if you like to, you know, want to create a new LinkedIn page, you can do now. I really hope this 6 strategy help you in some ways.